Hey guys, well, welcome to another edition of Ferndale Partners Spotlight Stock of the Week. A special welcome to any new members to the site. Remember that all ideas expressed on this site are not meant as investment advice. Only do trades that make sense to you, okay? All right, this is Sunday, May 20th. This idea is for the week of May 21st, and my spotlight stock of the week is Amazon, AMZN. It's a long candidate. For those of you who are students of mine, you will know immediately why I like it so much. The pattern speaks for itself. But for those of you who are not students of mine, let me briefly explain why I like it. The stock had a big gap up about 3 weeks ago, and then it spent the past 3 weeks consolidating that move. Now, this stock has had every excuse in the world to sell off since this big gap up. Matter of fact, I was planning on shorting the stock when it broke 60. It tried to this day for a few seconds and then ran up. So the stock is showing an awful lot of loyalty. So the stock, I think, has been resting up, giving us the proverbial pause that refreshes, allowing for the next big move in the stock. The trigger I'm using is Friday's high, which happens to be the closing price on the stock of 63.30. My objective is 67 and my stop is 61. So again, the buy trigger is 63.30, the stop is 61, and my objective is 67. Now, if I were day trading this guy, normally I would use 62.28 as my stop because that was Friday's low. However, this idea is for the week, not for the day. So I want to give it a little more wiggle room. I want to give it, I want to allow for a little shaking of the trees. So I'm going to use 61 for my stop. I would probably go ahead and nibble a little bit on this guy, even pre-market tomorrow, if you can, as long as the stock is not gapping down. Now, if the stock is gapping down 2 points or something like that, then the trade's off. Okay, but if the stock is going to be a little weakish in the morning, I would use that weakness to start nibbling on your trade. The real trigger is today's high, and the G whiz trigger is really 64. If the stock could take out 64, I think you're going to see some panic buying by the shorts on this guy. Okay, so that's my idea for the week next week. You guys, now if this trade works, you're going to make about a 5.8% return on your money. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but if you can get that every week, that's damn good money. So, and that's what we're looking to do here. Look for high percentage trades with a very well-defined stop and keep the odds in our favor. Okay, for those of you who aren't members of the site yet, I hope you decide to join us. Just go to www.theferndalepartners.com and check us out, and we hope you become a member of the site. Okay, have fun, and we'll talk to you next week.